Assalamualaikum. I welcome you all to Javed Publishers. Here we are discussing Reading General Knowledge Grade 3 Chapter number 9 कायद-ए-आज़म मोहम्मद अली जिन्ना। मिल्लत का पासबां है मोहम्मद अली जिन्ना है। Yes, we are familiar with the name of Qaid-e-Azam Muhammad Ali Jinnah. So the topic is all about Qaid-e-Azam Muhammad Ali Jinnah. This is chapter number 9. So who was Qaid-e-Azam Muhammad Ali Jinnah? He was a great leader. His name was Muhammad Ali Jinnah. He was born in Karachi on 25th December 1876. His father's name was Punja Jinnah and his mother's name was Mithi Bai. So from where he got his early education? He got his early education from Sidd Madrasatul Islam. For higher education, he moved to England and got his bachelor degree in law. The very interesting thing is he was the youngest to pass the law examination. He started his political career by joining All India Congress. Then why he left All India National Congress? Because when he came to know that they were not loyal with the Muslims, he left that and joined the Muslim League. So what was the main role of Qaid-e-Azam Muhammad Ali Jinnah? He worked hard for a separate homeland for the Muslims. So finally he got success on 14th August 1947. He became the first Governor General of Pakistan. He wrote many things. He worked very hard, day and night he worked for a separate homeland, and due to this his health deteriorated slowly, and then after that he died on 11 September 1948. His tomb is in Karachi. This is all about Qaid-e-Azam Muhammad Ali Jinnah. Keep watching. अपना बहुत सा ख्याल रखिएगा और जुड़े रहिएगा हमारी बोलती किताबों के साथ।